Hi everyone, Dr. Mary Shackleton here. One of the things that I feel like I repeat all the time to patients is you need to get more vegetables in your diet. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. It's like the hardest thing for patients to do. And I understand because it's a little bit of a pain to cook vegetables. But the goal really is to have 7 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. Ideally vegetables because they're low glycemic. They keep your blood sugar low. They have a lot of fiber in them and a lot of nutrients. The darker pigmented the vegetable or the fruit, the more antioxidants. So keep that in mind. Some tips for getting more vegetables in your diet is to cook a lot all on one day. Cook a sheet pan of roasted vegetables, then you have them for many days of the week for leftovers. Going to the store and buying 5 novel vegetables, things that you haven't had in your home before, is a great way to support your microbiome. The goal with 7 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables can be easily achieved if you have a smoothie in the morning. That could be about 4 servings right there. A salad at lunch could be 3 to 4 servings, and a vegetable at dinner. And then you've achieved the goal. And so if you put a little bit of time into this, there is a great payoff in terms of your immune system, your microbiome, and the assistance of the excretion of toxins that are stored, that are hiding. They can actually catch a ride out in your bowel when there's a lot of fiber in your diet, and when there's a lot of antioxidants, you're greatly protected against toxic exposure. So for more information about how to get a lot of vegetables in your diet, there's some shopping lists on my website. There are some menus and basically good ideas for how to help you get enough fruits and vegetables.